Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Asana for LinkedIn job search workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To start your LinkedIn job search with Asana, visit the Asana website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click the Get Started button. Next, you will receive an email with a confirmation link. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link. You will be redirected to create a new password. Choose a strong password and enter it in the provided fields. Once your password is set, click on the Create Account button. Now, you will be guided through a brief setup process. Select whether you are signing up for personal use or for a team. If you choose personal use, click the corresponding option. Next, you'll have the opportunity to import tasks from other apps. If you have existing tasks you want to import, select that option. Otherwise, skip this step to move forward. You will now be prompted to create your first project. Name your project something like LinkedIn Job Search. Select a template if you wish, or start from scratch. Once the project is created, you'll see your Asana dashboard. Now, it's time to set up tasks for your job search workflow. Click the Add Task button to start creating jobs you want to apply for. For each task, include details like job title and company name. Add due dates to keep track of application deadlines. You can also add notes or links to job listings in the description section. To organize your workflow further, create sections for different stages. Consider sections like applied, interviewing, and offers. As you progress, move tasks between sections to reflect their status. Integrate Asana with your calendar for better time management. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your calendar to Asana. Now, return to your LinkedIn profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.